Welcome back to another episode of the Pig Bus. There's been a lot of changes since you last were with us. So changes include ripping out the trim that's on the floor, making way for the new flooring that you're going to see that comes into this video, putting up walls of the bus, spray foaming those walls, then drywall and FRP panels. We have a bunch of new equipment. You can kind of see some of that here. Of course, you just saw that Jim installed the window. Oh, so sorry about the beer belly if that offends you. If not, and you're a true barbecuer, you love beer, doesn't bother you at all. That's awesome. Those are the changes that we've made. We're so excited to have you come along, watch the video with us. If you like the video, please comment. We love positive comments. Like us, subscribe to our channel, and while you're down there, there's a little bell. Please click that bell and it will give you updates, so just notifications when we post our new videos so that you can see in real time when we post. We may not always remember to send those videos out to you individually, so you'll just have to come back and check YouTube if you don't click that little bell button. Let's go watch the video.
Until something better came along. something better came along.